Now we're gonna fix the fan. Last one. Wait 1 second. And I think we are done. Now we have to put the screws. First one down. This makes the lights everywhere instead of just weak. Here. This is how you power your power glider. Take it off. Take the carbon fiber rod. Take this, the power glider, and you see a hole in the motor. Line that hole in this hole. Then it will get in. Then you just spin it. Spin, spin,